Most farmers don't even realize that some of the strongest protection against deadly diseases is already sitting in their kitchen or growing around their compound. These 3 natural vaccines have been quietly used for years, yet very few people talk about them, and even fewer know how to prepare them the right way. Today, I'm going to break down all 3 vaccines step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to safeguard your flock naturally and cheaply. You see, Newcastle, Gumboro, coccidiosis, CRD, these things don't just kill birds. They kill months of effort, wipe out profits, and leave the farm feeling like a war zone. And the worst part is that vaccines, as important as they are, don't always cover you 100%. Sometimes the vaccine cold chain was broken, sometimes the timing was wrong, sometimes the vaccine just fails. So before I tell you which ones they are and show you how we do it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with another farmer, and tell me where you are watching from. Before we dive into these 3 natural vaccines, there's something important you and I need to understand. Natural vaccines don't behave like synthetic vaccines. Instead, they work by building the internal defense systems of the bird so strongly that even when disease tries to attack, it finds a system that is too clean, too strong, and too responsive to be broken easily. And right here, I want to introduce the concept of how these natural vaccines are actually used and prepared. Each of the 3 natural vaccines is a combination of 1 or 2 of the following herbs. The first one is aloe vera, lemon, and ginger. Aloe vera works because of its polysaccharides and natural antioxidants that cool inflammation and help the bird clear mucus faster. Lemon brings vitamin C and citric acid that work as immune stimulants. The second one is a combination of ginger, garlic, and honey. Ginger contains gingerol and sugarol that open the airways, improve blood circulation, and fight infections. Garlic contains allicin, one of the strongest natural antimicrobial compounds ever discovered. Honey provides enzymes and beneficial sugars that feed probiotic bacteria during fermentation. The third one is a combination of neem and papaya leaves. Neem carries azadirachtin and quercetin, natural antiviral compounds. Papaya leaves have papain and alkaloids that break down viral buildup and clean the liver. The beauty is that each of these natural vaccines is extremely simple to prepare. You'll see the exact steps later. The first natural vaccine we're diving into is the aloe vera plus lemon plus ginger mucus clear vaccine. If you've ever had a flock struggling with coughing, rattling in the chest, blocked noses, watery eyes, or that irritating sound chickens make when mucus is stuck in their throat, then you already understand why this combination exists. Most respiratory diseases in poultry don't kill because of the virus alone. They kill because mucus blocks the airways. The bird panics, stops eating, stops drinking, and expires from stress and suffocation. Aloe vera is nature's emergency relief for this. Its gel coats the throat and upper respiratory tract, reducing inflammation and soothing irritation. Lemon's vitamin C floods the system with antioxidants that fight viral load and reduce internal stress. Ginger acts like a natural expectorant, thinning the mucus and helping the bird push it out. When these 3 are given together, you are essentially clearing the pipes, strengthening the internal engine, and giving the bird the energy it needs to fight back. Many farmers think respiratory disease is only a bacterial problem, but the truth is most birds die because they simply cannot clear the mucus in time. And once you see how quickly the birds begin breathing easier, becoming active again, and eating more confidently, you'll understand exactly why I call this mixture a natural vaccine for the respiratory system.
What sets apart millionaire poultry farmers from normal farmers? One thing: feed formulation. You've probably heard that making your own poultry feeds is cheaper and more profitable, but when you go online, all you find is scattered information, complicated software, and people talking theory instead of showing you how it's actually done. That's exactly why we at Agribusiness Insider spent the last 8 months creating something no one else has, a complete poultry feed formulation course designed to take you from zero knowledge to formulating professional broiler and layer feeds in just 1 weekend. You'll get 5 easy-to-understand modules that explain everything from ingredient selection and nutrient balancing to to actual feed mixing. You'll also receive our powerful Excel-based feed formulation software with over 80 preloaded ingredients. Just key in your data and get instant feed formulas customized for your chickens. And because we believe in hands-on practical learning, we've added 8+ step-by-step video tutorials and a software operation guide, so you'll never get stuck at any point. Believe me, we have checked, and there is nothing like this that exists anywhere on the internet. Now, for a limited time, you can get 15% off the full package and gain free access to our future live feed formulation webinars, where we answer all your feed formulation and poultry questions one-on-one. Remember, our organic poultry farming ebook is still yours to grab. To get a lifetime access to the course and the ebook, click the first link in the description of this video or scan this QR code, or contact me directly on WhatsApp at +254 726 717 251 for any assistance. This special offer will not be on for long, so click the first link in the description now and unlock lifetime access before it's closed.
The second one is the garlic plus ginger plus honey fermented vaccine. Probably the most famous, most studied, and most misunderstood natural vaccine in poultry farming. Garlic brings allicin, a natural antibacterial and antiviral compound that destroys harmful microbes on contact. Ginger brings circulation boosters and anti-inflammatory compounds that strengthen the entire respiratory and digestive tract. Honey feeds the good bacteria that multiply during fermentation, turning the mixture into a probiotic tonic loaded with beneficial microbes. When these three ferment for 14-21 days, fermentation breaks down the active compounds even further, making them stronger, more absorbable, and more potent. By the time you give this mixture to your birds, you're delivering one of the strongest natural immune boosters ever discovered in small-scale poultry farming. Birds on this vaccine have cleaner intestines, stronger immunity, better appetite, firmer droppings, and shockingly low mortality even during outbreak seasons. And because fermentation itself produces lactic acid similar to what expensive probiotic products contain, you're giving your flock something powerful enough to act as a natural antibiotic, antiviral, probiotic, gut stabilizer, immune enhancer, and respiratory protector all in one. The third natural vaccine is the neem leaves plus papaya leaves antiviral vaccine. This one is for farmers who face repeated outbreaks, stubborn viral infections, and flocks that seem to fall sick too often, even with good management. Neem leaves carry natural antiviral compounds like azadirachtin and quercetin that suppress viral replication and purify the blood. Papaya leaves contain papain, chimopapain, and a mix of alkaloids that break down viral buildup, detoxify the liver, and help the bird's body clean out harmful waste products faster. When these two leaves are combined, you get a natural antiviral shield that works in the bloodstream, the liver, and the gut at the same time. Farmers who use this vaccine correctly report fewer outbreaks, faster recovery whenever viral stress appears, stronger comb color, and better feed to immunity balance. And because neem also supports the liver and papaya increases red blood cell count, the bird becomes more oxygenated, more active, more alert, and more capable of fighting early-stage infections long before they become serious. This vaccine is especially powerful for farmers who face Newcastle and Gumboro challenges because it doesn't replace the standard vaccine, but it strengthens the bird's internal system so well that even when the vaccine fails, the birds still remain standing. For preparations and dosage, here is the procedure for the first one. Feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot or note down. Here is the second one, and here is the third procedure. Feel free to come back anytime to take a look at the procedures and dosage.
Remember to get your organic poultry ebook in the first link in the description of this video, or reach out to me on WhatsApp via the link also in the description.
And if you want to take this knowledge further and protect your chickens from the diseases that hit farmers the most, don't miss the next video on your screen right now, where I break down the natural treatments for the 5 most common broiler diseases. Click it and I'll see you there.